So I'm doing a field agent gig at Walgreens for skincare and eye and makeup. Let's see how quick it goes and see if it's worth the measly $3 that it's paying. So most of the gigs on Field Agent are going to be $3, but do not let that discourage you. A lot of people see that and then delete the app. If you could do these as fast as I can, I usually do about 8 to 10 of these in an hour if they're close together. So watch my strategy. So now I'm walking to the store. I know where the skincare is going to be. It's not going to be the biggest section, so it should be pretty easy. Thank you. So we have facial skincare right here. A nice straight pick. So what you have to do is start at the left side of the aisle and get a picture of each 4-foot section, nice straight clear pictures of each 4-foot section of the product category they ask for. So this one was skincare. There was this big long aisle of skincare. It may seem like you have to take a lot of pictures, but notice I'm not stopping. I am moving as I take the picture. If you have a semi-modern iPhone, you'll be able to take these pictures while you walk, which will save you a lot of time. And then the next question after the skincare is going to be displays. So they ask for the aisle, then they ask for displays. So as you're walking through the store, look for the displays so you don't have to walk back and forth. I forgot to do that on this one, but it's not really a big deal. I didn't find any displays for this product, so I'm moving right on to the next one. So now this is going to be this whole back wall here, all of these makeup displays, just not the nail polish. You need the eyes, the lips, and all the other stuff. I don't really know much about makeup, but I'm going to do my best. It was a little bit harder to tell each 4-foot section because usually there's like a break in the shelves, but these ones were hard to tell, so I'm just doing my best. Don't overthink it, just do your best. Most of them will get approved. They're pretty lenient compared to other apps with them getting approved. And then there's going to be people in your way, especially if you're doing it in the middle of the day on a Sunday like I am. So always be polite, wait till the people are done, then keep going. So even though there was a lot of pictures in this gig, this whole wall back here, I am going super fast, moving through the store. It has only been a little bit over 2 minutes at this point from the time I opened my car door, and now I am taking the pictures. There is a whole bunch of makeup, but just don't get discouraged if there are a lot of pictures because it takes just as long as walking through the aisle, basically. You may run into some obstacles. There is this weird table. Just do your best. If you have to angle your pictures slightly or take them at a weird angle, then that's fine. Just try not to do it too much. And then now it's asking for displays, and I was 100% sure that there was makeup displays. So this end cap right here, I got that one. And then there was another end cap. The last question was for a freestanding display. And that's it. It took exactly 3 minutes for me to complete this whole gig. Even though this wasn't an easy one, some of them will be $3 just to go in and literally take like 2 or 3 pictures. This was not one of them, but you could still get in and out in under 3 minutes to make $3. So a lot of people in my comments will say, I'm not driving to the store, $3 isn't worth it. But if you're making $3 in 3 minutes, that's $1 a minute, which is $60 an hour. But obviously, you're going to have to drive to different places, which is going to take time. But I usually average about $22 to $28 an hour when I do this, which is pretty good compared to other side hustles like Uber Eats and DoorDash. So click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent. And if you guys have any questions, any at all, ask them in the comments and I'll try to answer them immediately so I could help you in real time while you're at the gig.